How to change forgotten password on Instagram. So if you have forgotten your password and you want to change it, then this video might help you. So make sure you watch this video till the end and do subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. And let's get into the video. So right now I have already opened up my Instagram application and you'll be able to explore to various reels or newsfeed over here on the Instagram. So in order to change your forgotten password, you need to go to certain settings and steps. So the first step, simply tap over your profile at the right bottom corner. And after that, you can tap on the three bar horizontal line at the right upper corner and simply go for settings and privacy, under which you can go to the account center. And here are various options on the account center. Since we are looking for a password, you just have to tap over the password and security on the account settings. And finally, here is an option for change password. You simply go for change password and you have to select your Instagram account. So you'll be opened up to three text boxes where you have to enter your current password and you can enter the new password that you want to set. Since we are trying to change the password we have forgotten, you have to go for forget password option with the highlighted letter at the bottom. And you can see a pop-up at the bottom where they said that they have sent an email to my Gmail account linked with this Instagram account. You just have to go back and check. And here Instagram has sent me an email for resetting password. You just can tap over reset password option over here and you'll be opened up to a browser. You can choose activity either from Chrome or you can also go for Instagram, which will be easy for you. And finally, after opening up, you'll be able to see the text boxes where you have to enter the new password that you want to set. But before creating a password, you need to know that your password must be at least 6 characters and should include a combination of numbers, letters, and special characters. This is for your own strong password, which will help you to save your account. You just can tap over and set a new password, and after doing that you can tap on reset password option at the bottom of the boxes, and by doing that you will be finally be able to change your forgotten password of Instagram. I hope this video was helpful. If you want us to make any tutorial videos on any topics, then you can mention down below in the comment section. Thanks for watching.